Hello students, this is Dr. Saurabh Rajaram Mhatre from Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So, in last lecture, we have learned about respiratory system of cockroach. Respiratory system of cockroach. In this respiratory system, we have seen about trachea, spiracles and tracheoles. So, in today's topic, we are going to see about excretory system of cockroach. Excretory system of cockroach. Malpighian tubules are the main excretory organs of the cockroach. Malpighian tubules are the main excretory organs of the cockroach. They are attached to alimentary canal between the midgut and hindgut. Malpighian tubules are attached to alimentary canal between midgut and hindgut. They are thin, yellow colored, ectodermal, thread like structure hanging freely in the hemocoel. Malpighian tubules are thin, yellow colored, ectodermal thread like structure hanging freely in the hemocoel. They are near about 115 numbers. Malpighian tubules are near about 115 numbers. So, Malpighian tubules. Each Malpighian tubule is lined with a single layer of granular epithelial cells having microvilli. Listen, each Malpighian tubule is lined with single layer of granular epithelial cell. Single layer granular epithelial cells, and these cells having microvilli. Their distal portion is secretory. Their distal portion is secretory, and proximal part is absorption in function. Proximal part having absorption in function. So they are having two parts, distal part and proximal part. Distal part is secretory, proximal part is absorptive in function. They extract water and nitrogenous waste from hemocoel. They extract water and nitrogenous wastes from the hemocoel and they convert them into uric acid. It is very important. They extract water and nitrogenous wastes from hemocoel and convert them into the uric acid and then pass them into ileum. Pass them into ileum. So, as cockroach secretes uric acid, so it is said to be uricotelic. It is said to be uricotelic because it excretes uric acid. So that's why they are known as uricotelic animals. Cockroaches are uricotelic animal because they excrete uric acid. So in addition, the fat bodies, nephrocytes and uricose glands in male cockroaches only also helps in excretion. Means fat bodies, nephrocytes and uricose glands, these all helps into excretion process along with the Malpighian tubules. So in cockroach, urate cells means nephrocytes. These urate cells associated with fat bodies and cuticle are also believed to be excretory in function. Means there are additional excretory in function. In cockroaches, urate cells means nephrocytes. They are associated with fat bodies and cuticle are also believed to be excretory in function. Means there is a cuticle and there is fat bodies. They also have excretory in function. So the nephrocytes are cells present along with the fat bodies or present along the heart and store nitrogenous waste. So nephrocytes are the cells which are present along with the fat bodies or along with the heart and stores nitrogenous waste substances. So the excretory products later are removed in the hemocoel. Later the excretory products removed in the hemocoel, and some nitrogenous waste are deposited on the cuticle and are eliminated during molting. So this is the another view of the excretion. The main excretory system contains Malpighian tubules. Main excretory system of the cockroach contains Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules, they are 115 numbers. They are present between, they are attached to the alimentary canal between midgut and hindgut. They are thin, yellow colored, ectodermal thread like structure hanging freely in the hemocoel. Each Malpighian tubule is lined with a single layer of granular epithelial cells having microvilli. Their distal portion is secretory and their proximal part is absorptive in function. They extract water and nitrogenous waste from the hemocoel and convert them into uric acid, and that uric acid is passes towards the ileum. As cockroaches excretes uric acid, so they are known as uricotelic animals. So along, in addition, the fat bodies and nephrocytes and uricose glands also helps in the excretion. Then urate cells means nephrocytes are associated with fat bodies, and cuticles are also believed to be excretory in the functions. So these are all about the excretory system of the cockroach. Excretory system of the cockroach. In this excretory system, Malpighian tubules are the functional units of the excretory system. They excrete uric acid, so that's why cockroaches are known as uricotelic animals. So in next lecture we will learn about nervous system of the cockroach. Thank you, students.